Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got an answer of C, well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you want to see my explanation and how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, a gas containing a doubly charged ion flows to give an electric current of 0.64 amps. How many ions pass a point in 1 minute? A good starting point for a question like this is I often think is what equation is going to be relevant. And for the equation I think is going to be relevant is current is equal to charge over time. So given that I know the current and given that I know the time, I can find the charge. So rearranging, the charge is equal to current multiplied by time. Current 0.64 amps. Time 1 minute, but I must of course convert that to standard units. 60 seconds. I get amount of charge 38.4 coulombs. I now need to find the charge on this doubly charged ion. By a doubly charged ion, it just means it's got a charge of 2 plus or 2 minus. So for example, a helium ion would have a charge of 2 plus. That means the charge on the helium ion, on one helium ion, is going to be 2 times the charge on an electron. We can of course find the charge on an electron from the data sheet. 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. 2 of those is 3.2 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. So the number of ions that pass in a minute is going to be equal to the total charge that passes divided by the charge on each ion. And if you put that into your calculator, you'll discover it's 1.2 times 10 to the 20 ions per minute, which is answer C. I hope you found this useful. Please leave a like and a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more in the series.